You have a WordPress website and you want to increase your traffic, clicks, and get more views without struggling more. You need a quick solution to make your life easier and your work profitable without scamming and fake views. Sounds profitable, isn't it? So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and gives us a thumbs up. So this is my WordPress. This is my website in WordPress and it is totally new, and I'm going to install a plugin and get more views to my own website. So go to discover dashboard, then plugins, add new, then scroll down to search bar and write the name of the plugin is Sitekit. Okay, I'm going to search. This is the plugin. Just click on install now. It is Sitekit by Google Analytics Search Console. So install it and wait a bit. The plugin is installing and yuppie, here is activate. Click on it, then it will be activate. Click on setup. So here, welcome to Sitekit. Get started. Sign in with Google and you should sign in with the same account that you want to link your WordPress with. Put a password. Next. Sorry, mine is not correct. I'm going to do it once again. Now sign in to Sitekit and some additional access to your Google account. I'm going to click continue. Wait a bit. Welcome to Sitekit. Let's get you set up. Allow. Click on it. Then once again, it needs some access. You have to access it as sole safety, so don't worry about it. Go to my dashboard. Now you set up Sitekit and here we go. Search console activated. Essence, you should activate it. If not, don't worry about it. Not now because you're too new. Then Google Analytics, then your page speed. Then I have one more WordPress, and I created a few months ago, and I installed Sitekit on it, and the result is mind-blowing. I like it since I started this WordPress new, but the older one was 2 or 3 months ago, and I have good results since I'm not posting this WordPress much more, but I like it. Just look at my clicks and precious.